Hey guys, welcome back. Nautical Ninja here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this. Sorry for the bad mic quality. So, today I'm going to show you how to make an object with curved edges like this. Basically like a square object if you need like a chair or something. So essentially, what you want to do is you want to go to add. By the way, Blender 2.8. Add a plane. This also works in any version of Blender. From 2.6 and on, I'm pretty sure 2.7. So you add a plane like this, you go to edit mode, and what you want to do is subdivide like this, press this little corner right here, and let's just say 5, because why not? Now you want to select these corners, only these corners, okay? Now you're probably wondering, oh, and then you just press S and do this. Do not press S and do that. That will not help. I mean, it will work, but you will have to subdivide it even more, and that will cause more triangles, which can be a problem if you're making a game or something. So, instead, you want to do Shift Control B. That bevels it down. It's going to look like this for you, okay? You're probably wondering, like, what? Now you want to go to this. It says bevel. Press on this and add segments to the corners. As you see, let's just stick to 5 because you could smooth it out later on. Now you just want to, if you're just looking for a flat object like this, then it's all good. But if you want like a big object, you gotta go like this. Press A to select all the segments, and press E to size it up like this. Because then you can go back into object mode, and you will have your object. You could resize it to your liking, size it up, down, but it can never go back to its original size. It could just stay like this. That's the lowest it can go down. Okay, guys. So that's it for today. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will give you more Blender tutorials.